Late-night hunger wakes me in a tiny apartment kitchen. Microwave size, oil smoke memories flash from past dinners. I need fast, healthy crunch without the mess tonight. Weeknight chaos. Kids, meetings, leftovers, and zero patience. Takeout feels guilty. Oven feels slow and clumsy. I imagine restaurant-style crisp, but at home, simply. Enter the Chefman air fryer. Compact, powerful, sleek. 6-quart size fits family meals without eating countertop space. If you want to check the price of the Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer, check out the links in the description. Digital touchscreen and 4 one-touch presets simplify everything. Set time and temp precisely. Walk away confidently. High-fry technology boosts to 450 degrees for final 2 minutes. That rapid heat delivers extra crisp on fries and tenders. LED display guides me. Audible shake prompts mid-cook. Shake halfway. Result: evenly golden, impossibly crunchy bites. Less oil, more flavor. Guilt-free family favorites. Roast, bake, reheat, or fry. Versatility wins weeknights. Basket holds over a pound of fries easily. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup disappear in minutes. Matte black finish wipes clean. Looks stylish on any counter. Automatic shutoff and CETL safety give me peace. I cook crispy chicken tenders in under 20 minutes. 2-minute high-fry blast turns good into restaurant-level perfection. Kids cheer, partners approve, no greasy fingerprints. Meal prep becomes effortless. Batch cook, reheat, enjoy every day. Small footprint, big capacity. Ideal for apartments, families. Trusted Chefman quality. 1-year assurance. 700 W's performance every day. From frozen fries to golden fish. Consistent results. No more soggy leftovers. Reheats with crisp and moisture. My kitchen feels calmer. Meals faster. Smiles wider. Tap now to bring Chefman home. Crispness awaits.